I'm getting like so many stares right now. I just put Seafoam through the car. I used the top kit they have that comes with that little nozzle so you can spray into direct injection engines. So I'm pretty sure when I hit it right here, it's going to be like super smoky. So just look at the rearview mirror and tell me what you guys see. Oh my God, it's so bad. It's so bad. Oh my God, it's so bad. Oh man. Everybody was like looking at me as I was driving out of the neighborhood like something was terribly wrong with my car. Oh my God, it's so bad. Like even when I first started it up, it was like freaking a nuke just went off in my neighborhood. So we're gonna drive a little bit hard and get all this out. Oh my God, it's so freaking bad. And it's like, it almost looks blue too. So I bet you like everybody back there behind me right now thinks that like I'm like spilling oil into my engine bay. It's so bad. And it's not dying down. Oh man, how long is this gonna take? I hope it doesn't take long. Okay, it looks like it's starting to die off. That's good. There's still like a small amount that's just trailing behind me. It looks friggin' terrible. Like if I didn't know what it was, I would sit there and think like, what fucking idiot is getting onto his car that's burning so much oil right now. But all it really is just the carbon deposits from the valves and combustion chamber. So I'm gonna do another hard pull here in a second, see if we've got it all out yet. It seems really like a small amount now. Still coming out, but it's not as bad. Yeah, not nearly as bad. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a right here so I don't have to come to a stop for too long, especially with like all these people who are behind me that I probably just like pissed off with all the smoke screening that I've done. So go ahead and make this right in a second. Oh, it's like coming around in the front of the car now too from the wind. It's so bad. Oh my God. This guy in this Jeep's gonna pull up towards me, I bet. Probably try to tell me something's wrong. Like the police SUVs around here. So let's go ahead and get another hard pull in. Yeah, it's starting to get a lot lighter. I'm just gonna keep doing this little by little. Just make sure it's all out. I feel so bad. Anybody who just saw that in my neighborhood probably hates me right now. It's so bad. Alright. Turn real quick. Starting to become very minimal now. Do another hard pull here in a second. This portion here, and when I have a chance I'm going to show you guys those headlights and the front trim. Alright, so here's the headlight trim. You kind of see some weird shadowing up here at the top. It's just a little uneven, not a big deal. I can always go straight black on these later. There's the grill. And then our other one over here. Grill looks pretty nice. I'm not too worried about it. So, leave me a comment and a like if you guys would. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.